it gives me the chills thinking about it. Like last year we came in here and I mean, everything was different. Like we didn't have walls here. I mean, we got every new welder in here is brand new. We got ventilations and everything.
State-of-the-art facility. Everybody has their own booth. They can run all processes in their own booth. They don't have to share a booth. So they have a lot more arc time than almost any other school will ever have.
I learned a lot. Gas metal arc welding, TIG, stick, flux core. I've learned a lot about a lot of businesses and different routes you can go with welding.
Almost 80% of everything is welded in some form, whether it's plastic or metal. It's as simple as putting together a frame of a car, working on a ship, building a trailer, building a bridge, building a structural building, doing high pressure pipe, doing underwater welding, working military, working aerospace, working for NASA. I have to have a student that can engage, follow direction, wants to be here. If you want to be here and you want this to be your career field, you'll be successful in it.